Hey, I'm back. Um, I picked, I broke it down for everybody, and first time doing it. Here's the core and everything. The Bible, I'm pretty sure what it's called. And here was the pins that was inside of it. Um, Pretty sure they're spool, and then I got a few of the standard. I'm pretty sure no serrated pins. There's all the pins for you guys. I don't know what kind they are, but there's the core right here. I done it as soon as I got off the phone. Sorry I didn't do it on camera, but it's the first time doing it. But here it is, and there's the American lock with the hole and everything. I'm dropping the pins. But yeah, there you go. First time, and there is the spring. I'll probably have to throw this away because I don't know how to reattach it. But there you are. I'll learn better next time. But there you are. Yep. I got a red American lock. And yeah, if anybody knows what kinds of pins them are right there. I don't know if they're T-pins serrated, what, but they're, I know they're security pins. Alrighty, have a great night. Stay legal, stay safe.